This 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom oceanfront home is located on over 2 acres. The open concept floor plan takes advantage of the expansive ocean views. The kitchen has been transformed with new granite countertops. The home features a reverse floor plan to take advantage of the views and ocean breeze. The outdoor living spaces are spectacular and include 3 screened-in porches. The main living floor of the home features an open living and dining area that flows onto a large deck overlooking the ocean and is highlighted by a river rock fireplace. Custom architectural spiral stairs lead to a cozy den and guest suites. 2 guest bedrooms and bathrooms are on this first level. The bedrooms are generous in size, offering lovely accommodations for friends and family. The elevated construction features a garage underneath that provides ample parking space for several golf carts, as well as generous storage for bikes and beach toys. An elevator goes to all 3 floors. This home shares a connected walkway to the beach and a shared gazebo with bike and chair storage.